Assalamualaikum, all viewer and dear student. Today we have a very interesting general solution question. Y dash is equal to 2y plus x square plus 5. So how we can find their general solution means y to find the value of y from the given differentiable equation dy by dx, that is called first derivative, 2y plus x square plus 5. Now according to the linear general equation, so we can write dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to f of x. We change the general equation in this form. Here is f of x and here is y. It means that this result we change dy by dx is minus 2y is equal to x square plus 5y. This is f of x and we get according, and here is the value of px is equal to minus 2. If we are comparing, so we get p of x is equal to minus 2. Now we are finding integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e exponent of integration of p of x dx. So how we can calculate this result? E exponent of integration px is equal to minus 2 dx. Now we take this constant from the outside from the integration, so we get in here dx and we get e exponent of minus 2x, so this will be cancelled to each other. Now this integrating factor we multiply to equation number first. Here is we give first equation. Now we are multiplying here this factor on both sides of this equation, e exponent of minus 2x dy by dx minus 2y e exponent of minus 2x is equal to x square plus 5 into e exponent of minus 2x. Now we are change this product form, and here is dy by dx e exponent of minus 2x into y. If we are expanding according to the product formula, we get the same answer, because in here is if we take the derivative of minus 2x we get minus 2y, and here so the result will be same if we are expanding. So we get x square plus 5 into e exponent of minus 2x. Now if this dx is multiplied, and here d into e exponent of minus 2x and y is equal to x square plus 5 e exponent of minus 2x into dx. Now applying integration on both sides, this will be cancelled. E exponent of minus 2x into y is remaining, and here we are expanding x square e exponent of minus 2x and 2 dx. We are also multiply this term, and phi is constant outside from the integration, e exponent of minus 2x into dx. Now the problem is in here we are given two function in here. One is linear quadratic form and the other equation number second. When we simplify results, so we will substitute in here the result. Now we consider the term. We gave in here this term x square e exponent of minus 2x into dx. Now applying the integration by parts formula, so x square is outside from the integration, e exponent of minus 2x into dx, and double integration of e exponent of minus 2x into dx and further derivative of x square into dx. That is the integration by parts formula according to the rule. Here we can also rule u dot v into dx. So u is outside and dx we are taking the derivative of v, and similarly we are taking the derivative of v and derivative of the first function into dx. According to this integration by parts, integration by parts formula. Find this result, integration of x square e exponent of minus 2x dx is equal to, now we are expanding this term x square and integration of e power minus 2x and further derivative of minus 2. Similarly integration of, and here is also e exponent of minus 2x and minus 2 and x square derivative is 2x, dx is remaining. This 2 and this 2 is cancel, minus and minus plus. So here we get minus x square e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2. This minus is divide, and here and minus minus this will be plus, and integration of x e exponent of minus 2x dx. Again we are using in here integration by parts formula, and here is the first function x and second function is this one, pending this term, and here so is equal to minus x square e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2, and here we are using integration by parts, x integration e exponent of minus 2x dx minus and double integration of e exponent of minus 2x dx and further derivative of x into dx. This is the integration by parts, and here we are using now minus x square e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2 plus, we are expanding this term also, x e exponent of minus 2x divided by minus 2 and further n, and here e exponent of minus 2x divided by minus 2 and derivative of x is equal to 1 into dx. Minus x square e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2, and this one is minus e exponent of minus 2x into x divided by 2, and this is minus plus, and integration of 1 by 2 is outside from the integration, e exponent of minus 2x into dx. So the final result, we get the result of this one is x minus x square e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2 and minus x e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 2, and here e exponent of minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. Now we get this result. We substitute this complete result in the place of this function, we get the value of y function. Now we substitute the result of this function is equal to minus x square e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2 minus x divided by 2 e exponent of minus 2x, and this minus is a plus change also, minus minus 1 by 4 and e exponent of minus 2x, and this is the result of this result plus and 5. Now we change this result minus 2x and further derivative of minus 2x is minus 2 plus c. Now further if simplification is possible, yes, because in here is e power minus 2 e power minus 2x, the same is coming in here, so e exponent of minus 2x and y is equal to minus x square e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2 minus x divided by 2 e exponent of minus 2x and minus e exponent of minus 2x divided by 4. This one we can write, and this one we can write 5 e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2 plus c. And now this function 4 we take the LCM, and here also, or we are taking common from this one, we can also use any methods, e exponent of minus 2x and to y that is y is equal to minus x square e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2 minus x divided by 2 e exponent of minus 2x, and now here we take the LCM, minus, so this will be minus is taking common, and we consider this one is e exponent of 4 is common, and 4 is the LCM in here, and we get in here e exponent of minus 2x and plus this will be equal to minus into plus because minus is taking common, and here this will be 10 e exponent of minus 2x plus c. Now we get in here 11 minus 11, so e exponent of minus 2x into y minus x square e exponent of minus 2xy divided by 2 minus x by 2 e exponent of minus 2x minus 11 by 4, and here e exponent of minus 2x plus c. Now this term we are divide on both sides, so we will get in here minus x square e exponent of minus 2x divided by 2e exponent of minus 2x. Divide on both sides, and here is minus x by 2 e exponent of minus 2x divided by e exponent of minus 2x minus 11 by 4 e exponent of minus 2x divided by e exponent of minus 2x plus c divided by e exponent of minus 2x. So each term this will be cancelled with each other, so we get in here equal to minus x square divided by 2 minus x by 2 minus 11 by 4 and plus c. This will be changed into upper, so we can write this one is the general solution of this very interesting and lengthy question, because we have already integration by parts 2 times we use. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.